Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The last 24 hours for this particular token right here, Blur, has been absolutely tenacious. I mean, it's over 40% of an increase in the last 24 hours. Some of the predictions were absolutely spot on as it races its way to become a top 100 crypto. So $391 million market cap at the moment. I think we can still see a bit of positive continuation to the upside before it really exhausts itself and finds a typical kind of 70-ish% correction. So just before we get started on that, guys, remember I've got a $1,000 giveaway. Please do join that by entering down below and just retweet this tweet right here, subscribe to my channel, and also get yourself into the Discord where we're looking at loads of cool things, all crypto, and sharing free insights and technical analysis to help you grow. So let's have a little look at what's going on. This is the Blur token saying they're now live on February 14. All traders across all marketplaces in the last 3 months, care package holders and creators are eligible for the airdrop. So that's what really created a load of massive traction. And we can see since their launch 4 months ago, already $1.1 billion of total volume has occurred, which has completely obliterated other NFT marketplaces like Opensea and some of the other cool ones. So I'm really excited to see what might happen here. I mean, we're sitting at $1.08. I've got 2 real keen areas of support and resistance, and I do have a target, so stick around for this video. And you can see when a coin gets deployed on Coinbase, you know this is something that is not taking the piss. You know, you got to take this very seriously. Coinbase will only accept the finest of coins, and for them to be on Coinbase is an absolute privilege and most likely an honor, which does give them huge credibility. So let's see what can happen. Since the launch on Coinbase, things have looked fantastic. Floor price over here for Bored Ape Yacht Club, 75 Ethereum. That's absolutely insane. And this is the Blur NFT marketplace. I really like how it looks. Really easy to kind of look through the trending and top collections. You can see Azuki right here over 14 Ethereum. And looking at the 1 day volume, you can see the different coins are getting different amounts of volume right here, all the different NFT collections. So really easy to navigate, look through. You can see you got CloneX here, really nice kind of marketplace. Clearly they like the color orange, but I do think it's definitely one to keep looking at. So these are the collections that we just noticed a moment ago. You can see the 15-minute volume, the daily volume right here. You can change this as well. You can see other dealers getting the most insane amount of volume, even more than Bored Ape Yacht Club. Last 7 days, also 16.7k Ethereum, which is absolutely fantastic to see. Important tweet. 2 hours ago, Jack Butcher re-enabled Blur bids on checks, VV editions and original. The volume surged immediately after this, so you can see editions and originals now in 3rd and 6th in top of volume on the hourly, which is absolutely insane. Originals up 30%, so that's of course really bullish. Looks like Blur.io has seen more wash excluded trade volume than Opensea almost every day in the first half of February. So this is another bullish chart, as we can see. Looking at Opensea being the blue and Blur being the orange, we're getting more monthly, daily and weekly volume than the Opensea exchange. This is of course very bullish. So let's move on to my kind of price analysis and predictions. Now I think of course it's safe to say it's been a very big rush for Blur. I mean, it's been a freaking blur really. You can see 2 consecutive green candles right here with a large blow off top wick, so we could be due a little bit of a slowdown as we print 3 consecutive red candles. Now I think if we do lose a support level of $1.08, there's a good chance we might, you know, and I think there's a good chance we lose support and we come back down to this DCA level of $0.94. And this is where we could potentially get a bounce and another reversal. And my next technical target is around that $1.30 mark. So from current price levels, you're looking at roughly a 20% pump. And that's if we do not lose the support, which we are starting to do now, by the way, guys. So the trajectory would be bearish. The narrative is, okay, maybe we're going to fall through this 20-day moving average, come down to this sort of DCA zone where we had loads of support around here. And it also kind of levies up and matches up with that 0.618 Fibonacci range. As we can see right there, if we lose that 0.93, we'll come down to 0.85 and potentially even lower. But I don't think that would be the case. So we can see it's crashing a little bit right now. I do think, you know, after this, if we get a lot of buying pressure, it's still possible to come up to the $1.29 level where I'd be taking profits and get out of that particular trade. So from here, guys, it's still 18%, 19% upside potential If we do come back down to support region for DCA, you'll be looking at around 36%. So that is my kind of theory here. I think, you know, we fall down to a dollar cost average zone, but if we don't, we get a bullish reversal anyway. Take profits around $1.27 because that's quite a realistic price target after a slight correction. Fear and greed index today sitting at 62, so we're starting to see a lot of investors get confident following the bullish CPI report that we just had, and with that we're seeing Bitcoin enter almost $25,000 again. I think it's sitting around 24.7k, which is absolutely fantastic to see as well. Just a quick reminder, guys, do join the $1,000 giveaway down below. It's certainly worthwhile. Check out their Patreon page as well if you want access to signals, inside info around pre-sales, one-on-one lessons, and much more. You can also find that down below if you want to support this channel. Few other things I wanted to announce, of course, MetaMasters Guild pre-sale. I've got quite a bit of this myself, but there's only 1 day and 1 hour left. $200,000 more for this ICO to raise until it's finished. You can't buy any more tokens, so I'm very, very keen to see what's going to happen with this one right here. If you want to find out more about MetaMasters Guild, do some research. I've got the links down below. It's not financial advice, by the way. And there are 3 other pre-sales that are live down below if you want to get into these ICOs. You can see Fight Out is a move to earn token here, where you can earn money by going to the gym. We've also got C+ Charge, where you can earn carbon credits and also support the next huge movement around electric vehicles, because C+ Charge token is designed to basically be a blockchain solution to the lack of infrastructure on the roads and charging stations. So that's exactly what C Charge is all about, using blockchain to charge your vehicles, which is super, super bullish as well, because it supports the carbon offset movement. It supports the green movement as well. So really cool to see that as well. Free pre-sales you can check out down below in the comments and description box, and make sure you also get into the Discord and enter that $1,000 giveaway. Cheers guys, see you soon, take care, and bye for now.